Hey there. Let's clear something up real quick. By most accounts, this helmet is kind of a piece of crap.
First things first, I cut out the scales from my scrap steel with the angle grinder. And then I clean up the edges and everything, just like normal. Do that a whole bunch. Then I shaped the plates out using an unfortunate but nonetheless useful divot in my anvil. And I punch a bunch of holes into them. Then I know I shouldn't dish, but you know, I'm not going to use this thing for fighting anyways. It just pretty much has to look the part. So, I dished it. Fight me. Not this helmet. Then I expanded the bottom edge of a straight strip of steel to give it a sort of arc, so that way it makes a bit of a lampshade shape. Just like that. And I bend that around into a round shape. Then I cut off the top of it in a straight line so that it's all straight and everything. Then I punch a hole, drill a hole, and just pretty much rip the whole thing together. It's really bad riveting job. Then I mark out where each scale will go by poking a hole with the leather, poking the hole all the way through. Then I put a little roofing nail through the hole to act as a rivet. I put the scale back on top, and then I just peeled that down. And this is the abomination that you end up with. It's pretty bad. Like I said before. I mean, just look at that. You can still see heat marks and everything. There's a bunch of extra holes all over. Half the rivets aren't even peened. Still machine marks on it, for crying out loud. So, oh, also my head is really small and it only fits me, so I gotta make that bigger or something, I guess. So, yeah, join me in part 2 where I see if I can not mess up what should be the simplest helmet I've ever built. Thanks for watching!